Alright guys, in a row my Chinooks top 4. Thank you all for getting in. Top 4 get Jerry Augustine bobbles from last night. 1:40 p.m. June 3rd. Type live. We are live. 1:40 p.m. June 3rd. 1:40 p.m. Grab the list. And we will drop it into random 25 entries. Ollie on the bottom, Kyle on top. We're going to roll 2 dice, 5 or higher. 2, that's not high enough. We're going to roll 2 dice again, looking for a 5 or higher. And we have a 6. We're going 6 times. After the 6th roll, top 4 win. Good luck. Here we go. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5 times. Dice shows a 6. Next click, top 4 win. Good luck. And 6. Congrats, Brian, Timmy, Don, and Kyle. You guys all win. Get in touch with me and collect the bobbleheads. We are done 1:40 p.m. We will type done. We are done. 1:41 p.m. 1:41 p.m. Timestamp verification.